Yeah, so my name is Vikas Ranjan. My mother has come for the treatment for the knee treatment. Her name is Rita Sinha. So she was facing this knee problem from the last 15 years. We actually went for lots of orthopedic doctor and we got lots of medicine, lots of other kind of treatment has done. But nevertheless, none of them actually cure her. But with the one shedding of your treatment, doctor, she has recovered very fastly. The way she was walking earlier, like a tilt position and all, it is completely going to be improved. I cannot say complete 100%, but it is in the very exponentially improving.
Okay.
So that is a really remarkable and very appreciated, like the way it is treated. And we are thanking to you for this, doctor, the way it has treated. I hope that the next treatment will be done, then it will be cured 100%. Thank you so much for this.
Ma'am is telling in left side it has improved some 30%, right side some 50% it has improved.
Exactly.
With just one injections we expect only 30% improvement. But due to her strict diet.
That's true.
She is very.
The diet chart what you said actually, the diet chart what she followed, and that is really also helpful. Right. For example, the milk product or gluten and which is stopped. She is completely stopped, and the weight she because of that her weight is also lost.
How many kgs lost?
I think 4 to 5 kg she lost.
In 1 month, 3 weeks.
3 weeks, I think, not more than 1 month. I think.
3 weeks.
So this is a really good actually sign. Actually, and also I just want to explain the way she was walking in our society. She was not get the guts to go there earlier. Now she is willing to go.
Okay.
And she want to do some experiment also in the base of this confidence. So this confidence come because of this medicine. So really thank you for this.
And she is able to sit in that car easily. Earlier she was facing that big issue. So that's she told I can sit very fast.
Okay.
So I don't have any issue. Her confidence is developed more. And definitely she is expecting to that left leg will be cured by the second dose.
Definitely.
And definitely we are lucky to find you.
So
So I'm just requesting to all that guy, so come to this clinic, definitely you will get there because this is a 100% cure. Definitely you will get it without medications, without any surgery. This is a holistic way that's treatment.
Confidence here which came actually and the way it is reduced. So this is a miracle. I'm really thanking to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You are really a god for this.
No, sir. No, actually, madam was more willing to follow what are the protocols we used to do, either with respect to diet or medications or injections. She was more daring. She was more open to try all these methods.
Right?
All these options. And whatever we suggested, she followed it diligently without even a single miss.
Yeah, she is following religiously, and that's why its result came.
Yes, ma'am.
She lost 4 kg within a 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
So that's a big
4 kg in 3 weeks.
3
20
weeks.
days.
It's a big achievement, right?
Yeah.
Big achievement in terms of like walking and all.
Yes, madam. Yes,
She's saying that I can walk very easily now these days. There was some kind of twisted was there, right? The left right. More portions on the right side also was there when she was trying to not get the balance. She was forcing the right. But now I'm seeing that she is able to balance, and even she's trying to walk on the stairs also. I'm trying to say don't do right now. Wait for the final result.
Because our vitamins also were quite low, and our with respect to the inflammation was very high. Even still inflammation is high. Once the inflammation comes down, no, she will be as good as normal.
Exactly.
Like how our body used to be before 10-15 years before this knee pain started. Like that, our body pains will be reversed to that state. Because basically, sir, everything is related to food. And we think that milk is having lot of calcium. We keep on consuming it, and it becomes arduous for our body to digest it after 5 years of age, and it will develop a lot of inflammation and insulin resistance in the body. And once we stop that, and we think it healthy and we consume it, once we stop that, the miracle starts there. Stopping it.
I know milk is not good at all. I know. That's why if you take the drumstick, but that is better. That has more calcium than milk.
Correct. True, sir. True. Yeah.
खाने के लिए कोई डाइट रहेगा ना? खाने के लिए वही डाइट रहेगा.
अभी तो टेम्पररी 3-4 महीने के लिए वही रहता है. मैडम आपका थोड़ा परिचय कीजिए कैसे
आपको कैसा लगा क्या लगा हिंदी
मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. पहले से बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ और बेटर हुआ अच्छा से. और तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, चलने में ठीक लग रहा है. गाड़ी पर जो चलते थे उसमें दिक्कत होती थी, अब नहीं होती है.
ओके.
और राउंड में 3 राउंड कर लेते हैं.
ओके.
उसमें भी
पहले मैडम पहले कितना राउंड करते?
पहले 2 राउंड में दर्द करता था. अब ठीक थोड़ा
मुझे लगता है कि 1 राउंड इवन दो शी वाज नॉट एबल टू वॉक प्रॉपर्ली एक्चुअली दैट वाज गिविंग अ
दो राउंड करते थे, इसमें सूजन आती थी और
हाँ,
दर्द
हाँ।
भी करता था। अब
हाँ।
इतना नहीं होता है।
अभी दर्द नहीं है और सूजन भी कम हुआ
हाँ,
है।
सूजन-
हाँ,
सूजन में राइट में तो ठीक है।
Walking movement is really improved, no
Okay.
doubt on that.
Means the walking style.
Walking style, right?
हाँ,
So the way it was like a
जैसे कि
left
स्टेप
right.
में आगे पीछे जो
हाँ,
था वो
हाँ।
अपने बराबर के स्टेप चल रहा
हाँ हाँ हाँ
In the beginning,
हाँ
in the beginning when she got that treatment, in that 1 week she was facing that issue with the balancing.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
So day by day
Yeah,
she
yeah.
improved the balance
Yeah, yeah.
and she walked nicely nowadays.
That day you texted me also that she's
Yeah,
having
I
little pain.
texted to your message. Yeah,
yeah.
So I told her because earlier what the steps you are doing,
Hmm.
the same kind of that it will take time to settle your body.
Correct.
So I just guide her. So
Correct.
now she is fine with that walking.
Yeah, yeah.
Earlier she was walking like leg try to pull, but she is now
Kind of dragging type of
dragging
walking?
kind
Okay,
of. But
okay.
now she is walking like steps,
Normal.
normal steps.
पहले
Yeah.
पीछे पैर करता था
हाँ, हाँ,
और
हाँ।
अभी उतना नहीं है।
Okay.
फिर भी है थोड़ा पहले से,
हाँ, हाँ,
बाकी
हाँ।
थोड़ा पहले से बेटर
वो
है।
तो रहेगा लेकिन धीरे-धीरे improvement
Yeah,
होगा.
But it's a
minimum-
drastic improvement in the within a one shot.
Yeah.
So definitely we are expecting in that 2 or 3 what that
Yeah,
treatment
yes,
is
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
required,
Yes, ma'am.
and she'll better, and she no need for that knee replacement.
Yeah.
That's the benefit of that.
Yeah.
So this is a fast cure also.
And main is our insulin resistance has suddenly come down. If you suppose if you test our fasting insulin next month, then insulin resistance will definitely improve. And once in the state of insulin resistance, the bones will become more osteoporotic. Means bones will be there will be a lot of degeneration of the joints also. So once we make that insulin resistance corrected through food and some basic supplements, then this insulin resistance will go and this degeneration will go, and also the bone starts becoming strengthening, osteoporosis will be gone. So like that we help. Like as you told, it is a holistic approach. Means 360 degree.
This is a painless treatment.
Yeah,
Serious.
yeah.
This is no pain, nothing. This is a painless treatment.
And back to life very soon.
Yeah, obvious,
Yeah.
definitely.
Correct.
And the confidence will come. In
Yeah.
this age, no confidence will come because his walking is very important.
Yeah.
If the patient will walk and the confidence will develop.
Yeah.
So she is feeling better now.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
great, sir.
So
Thank you
overall,
so much for
overall, I
that.
want to say that it's really a very positive, vibes and positive, indication that she will definitely get improvement.
Yeah.
And by the help of your doctor,
Thank
no
you,
doubt.
sir.
Thank you so much for your kind help and all, and your experience is really
Thank you.
helping her to get the improvement in this
Thank you,
age.
sir.
I'm telling you.
Actually, after 60, it is very difficult for
I know,
everyone.
that's fine, fine.
And
And
even
even for the diabetic, right?
Yeah.
For the
Whenever they are diabetic, hypertensive, it means that there is insulin resistance. That is why we become diabetic. And whenever there is insulin, again bones start degenerating very fast. And you told like since last 10 to 12 years, I have
15
never
years.
15 years you have never seen her walking like this.
No.
Yeah, with this level of confidence and with level of walking style.
Earlier, day by day,
Ah.
year to year, it came down. Means the style
more and more deterioration was happening.
deteriorations more.
Ah.
But this is upgradations.
Yeah.
After this treatment,
Yeah.
this upgradations happen.
Yeah.
So we are expecting more. So after a couple of months, definitely she'll get
madam.
more.
Yeah. Definitely.
So-
After 3 months also, we'll take one more video, part 2.
Obvious. We are
For
ready
me
for
also,
that.
because see,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I went already some of the orthopedic doctors.
Yeah.
They are just giving us some painkiller. I'm telling you, I do not take any painkiller. I'm just getting for some kind of good doctor. I know with God grace is like that. Mom has came here and then she got the relief. I got the confidence. Let me check by myself.
Yeah.
I will definitely give you my review once it will recover. sir.
Definitely. This is nothing, sir. This is
Yeah,
mild
it's
shoulder
like,
pain. It will
means
come
I
down.
cannot do my shuttle game actually from last 3 months because of this. I don't get any improvement, but I believe that I'll
Definitely,
get it
sir.
from
We hardly 2 to 3 pricks it will get back to normal as usual, and within 3 months you can restart your shuttlecock playing.
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. sir.
Ma'am, how you got to know about our hospital, no?
You know Dinesh, no?
Yeah, Dr. Dinesh.
Yeah, Dinesh is my friend. So when you plan this hospital, I met you in the town.
correct,
Remember?
Yeah.
So Dinesh introduced to you.
Yeah.
So that's time you was planning for this clinic.
Correct. Yes.
So I
ma'am.
spoke with the Dinesh.
Yeah.
So Dinesh told me you have to go, ma'am. Don't worry about that.
So I think I will see where we stay, right? It's like a big apartment hall. Definitely I'm going to refer. I don't think so you need a refer actually, frankly.
Thank you.
Because it's like our our courtesy and our responsibility to spread your technology
Gratitude,
what you're
sir.
using to the other patients. So definitely that need to be going to be forward to all the other society members that who are suffering this problem. They will cure by yours. So that is really going to be do. We will going to do this one.
थैंक यू
Not
सर, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. आप जो YouTube देख रहे हैं उसको क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? दिव्यांग के दर्द के लिए।
यूट्यूब देखने वाले लोग चैनल के बारे में क्या बोलेंगे आपकी?
आपको क्या लग रहा है कि देखा ये
आप
treatment
दूसरे
से?
बारे में लोगों को क्या बताना चाहती हैं कि कैसा लग रहा है
अच्छा
आपको?
लग रहा है, पहले से बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मैंने
यहाँ देख के
अच्छा लगा, पहले से बहुत अच्छा लगा।
हाँ हाँ ओके
और आराम है आपको?
आराम पहले
आराम
से
है।
बहुत बहुत बेटर है।
ओके अगर दूसरे इंजेक्शन लेने के आप रेकमेंड करेंगे?
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ ओके ओके ओके
एक ही
और भी
में
अच्छा होना है।
एक में हो गया तो
हाँ।
सरकार ले सकते,
दूसरे में
ठीक हो
फायदा
जाए।
होगा, ज्यादा
Correct.
स्ट्रांग बनना है।
हाँ
Correct.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं
Very nice
है,
one.
सुई लेने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके
और ये पेनफुल तो है नहीं, पेन तो होता
हाँ,
है
नहीं,
नहीं, पता ही नहीं चलता
no, no,
ट्रीटमेंट के
no,
बारे
no,
में।
अच्छे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
This is painless.
Yes, madam.
Totally painless.
Yes,
She
madam.
doesn't feel anything
हाँ.
what you did.
yeah.
So that's also this treatment give that lot of the multivitamins you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
adding
yeah.
and the body detoxification
Correct.
in the sideways lot of things improvement.
Yeah, yeah,
This
yeah.
is not only the leg,
Yeah.
for also body detox.
Yes ma'am.
The lot of the minerals, vitamins, all that improve of the body overall. This is a holistic
Knee,
with the
yeah,
treatment.
knee is not a separate part out of the body. It is a part of the body. So once we recorrect whole body, the knee will definitely get the benefit of the whole body detoxification.
Yeah, the way of your treatment, this is not for the focus on the leg, knee, the pain. So whole holistic body you are planning to change of that.
Yeah.
So food plan, exercise, all that you have to make the structures
Yeah.
on the best of the patient will improve in that
Correct.
different way.
Yes madam. Yes.
That's
Thank you.
I feel that.
True madam. True
No, I
madam.
think her diabetes is also improved. ma'am.
Yeah, definitely,
Because I just
sir.
saw her actually, Dr. Bacteria diabetic.
Uh-huh.
But blood pressure is a little fluctuated because
Yeah.
of she's not taking medicine. But nevertheless, I can tell you that the medicine with the diabetic also, right?
Yeah.
The food what you
Yeah.
have prescribed that
Yeah.
really helping
कल
her
मैं थोड़ा
actually.
तबीयत
So
ठीक
all the
नहीं थी,
lutein
परेशान
and
भी
all
थी।
has been
Yeah.
actually going to be
Rolled out of the food.
floated, right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
no lutein
ये
is
ज़्यादा
there.
कल मैं परसों
BP के वजह से.
BP की वजह
हाँ.
से।
And also I observed, she didn't tell, earlier before the treatment,
Uh-huh.
she was feeling more buffering, more buffering. She if had something, no,
Uh-huh.
they started buffering,
Uh-huh.
full time acidity
Yeah,
happened,
yeah.
and the stomach bloating and acidity and motions also is very, she is facing the issue with that pass the
Correct,
stool.
correct.
So nowadays within a 3 weeks
Yeah,
of
yeah.
that, after medication and the diet plan, she feeling better, constipation's gone, 2 times she passed the motion
Very nice.
and the acidity gone, no buffering, stomach bloating, all that come down.
Yeah,
Alright?
Yeah.
So,
Because
yeah.
ma'am, because see, once we stop all the food which is not good for our body, definitely body will recover. That is
Yeah,
all.
see all this,
Yeah.
this is a parameter, it's
Yeah.
really improvement.
Correct.
Earlier it was not.
Yeah.
Definitely she was strict of that, I will not follow that rules.
Yeah.
But I told you have to try for at least 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You see the body, how
Changes,
they
yeah.
respond.
Yeah.
And she is feeling better and she is ready to, I will follow that. So
Very
that's
nice.
a great thing.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So thank you so much for your valuable feedback, sir.
No, I think
Yeah,
there is no
definitely.
need for this one. I think that because
definitely.
patient has to be come on your door, I think, for your.
So
for treatment
strongly I
of that.
recommend to that people have to come
Yeah, no
and
doubt
just
on that.
explore because this is a really authentic treatment.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. No, I don't think so. You should say thank you, sir, because we should oblige for you in the way you're treating sir. I don't think so.
Right.
So thank you so much again.
Yeah.
And I feel that the way this treatment is going on, she will become better and better.
Yeah.
And thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.